So guys, for the first step, once you're on the website where we're having a problem, you want to look in the top left where it says your website's URL. And now next to it, you want to click right here, View Site Information. By the way, this works with all the websites, not just Facebook that I'm on right now. This is just an example. So once you click on View Site Information, now you want to click on Cookies and Site Data. Now you want to click on Manage On-Device Site Data. And then once this comes up, you just want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on Done. Now you want to click on this again, View Site Information. Now you want to click on Site Settings. If you have any usage data right here, you want to click on Delete Data. And then click on Delete. And now for the next step, you want to head up with Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on Enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed. You can now do the CAPTCHA again.